If you haven't tried to answer these questions on your own first, please go back to the last slide and do that first. This sequence of SpongeBob characters is actually maybe even more auditory than it is visual. So I'm going to just say the characters, and then we'll just keep, when we get to the last one, we'll just keep going to get the next 3 pictures. So Squidward, SpongeBob, Squidward, Patrick, Squidward, SpongeBob, Squidward, Patrick, Squidward, SpongeBob, Squidward, Patrick, Squidward. Those are the next 3. Squidward, Patrick, Squidward. But you can even, I mean, you could figure it out visually, of course, but it's sometimes certain sequences you can even hear them better than you can see them. When you tried to answer this question, you may have noticed that all of the odd numbers in the sequence, this is the first, second, third, fourth picture in the sequence. This is the 5th, 6th, 7th. Help if I centered that. 8th, 9th, and 10th picture in the sequence. All of the odd numbers are always Squidward. And so whatever odd number we're dealing with will be Squidward. The even numbers, however, could be either SpongeBob or Patrick. And there's many different ways to answer this, but maybe the easiest way is to see that the pattern repeats every 4 characters. So every group of 4 then repeats. So the 5th through 8th pictures are the same as the 1st through 4th pictures. So once you notice it's a repeating pattern of 4, if you have a multiple of 4, like 4, 8, 12, you have Patrick. And so if the number is divisible by 4, if it's a multiple of 4, then which of course 844 is, 844 is 211 fours. And so this character would be Patrick. If you have an even number that is not a multiple of 4, if you take 1282 and divide by 4, you'll get a remainder of 2. Well, that gives you SpongeBob in that case. So we're going to be spending a lot of time on sequences. This is just kind of a fun one to look at first, but this kind of idea of remainders and multiples and looking for patterns in the sequence, this is all applicable to everything we're going to do. And it also pops up a lot in competition math problems.